When is the last time you reflected and assessed? Have you ever wondered how crazy complicated it's become in the modern world? There are so many different things driving for our attention, and it's really challenging sometimes to get a sense of if you're making traction in a particular area or effort. Well, if you really want to get focus and clarity, you got to break things down and take time to reflect and analyze. Now, let's just say you have a skill that you want to learn. You knew that it took many different components in order to get the best results. You can identify what those components are. Then you're going to take a moment to rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 5 of where you are in each of those efforts. 1 being I'm not that great at that, or 5 being I'm amazing. This starts to set a benchmark of where you're at now, and then you can define where you want to go. And this is modeled after Benjamin Franklin's 13 values to refine your values on a daily reflection. In the Growth Amplifiers Jumpstart Accelerator program, we guide people to rate their 8 different stages of the customer value journey. So what is a skill that you are looking to refine? How are you going to break that down, and what actions are you going to take to amplify and take it to the next level?